Hello guys, welcome back to the series Introduction to Python. In this video, we will discuss how to get the input from the user in Python. So if you guys are using Python version 3, we use the function called input to get the value from the user. And if you guys are using Python version 2, we use the function called raw input to get the value from the user. We will straight away look into an example to have a better understanding how to get the value from the users. Since I'm using a Python version 3, I'm using the function called input. So if I run this line, the Python interpreter will display an input window for me. Let's check this out. So if you guys notice, the moment I ran the code, the Python interpreter will display a window where a user can type the value. I'm typing the value as 5.5. So if I type the value as 5.5 and press on enter, the value 5.5 will be assigned to the variable name. Let's check this out. So if I print the variable name, a value 5.5 should be displayed. Let's check this out. Yes. So the value 5.5, which is I entered, has been assigned to the variable. This is how you get the value from the user and assign it to a variable. Once you get the value and assign it to a variable, you can make use of this value in our calculation in a later perspective of the program. So one thing to notice here is, no matter whatever the data you enter, the input function will consider them as a string. Let's check the type of the variable. If I check the type, it will be displayed as a string. But if you guys noticed, I typed a float value of 5.5. So by default, the input function will consider all the input that are entered by the user as string. So we need to make the conversion explicitly if the data has to be converted to different data type, for example float or an integer. I believe you guys understood how to get the input from the user and how the user input works. See you guys in the next video.